the rules is virtually sacrileging this temple. Only one. Sri Pramod Tiwari. One sec, Pramod, what do you have to say?
I am just pointing out 267, sir.
No.
I want to teach myself, sir. I want to get lesson.
No, pointing out is not. You want to take floor to say what?
Just I want to read 267 and nothing more.
Sir, members have read it. Let us give a tribute to our members that they are fully aware to the text of 267.
Sir, I want interpretation from the chair.
Okay, so you are raising point of order.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please.
I said
please. Yeah, please, sir.
कोई सदस्य
267.
सर, कोई सदस्य सभापति की सहमत से
Yes.
सबसे बड़ी सर आपके बगैर तो यहाँ पत्ता भी नहीं हिल सकता।
ऐसा कीजिए, ये बात आप जयराम जी को भी बताइए।
सर,
मेरे बहुत अच्छे मित्र हैं, जयराम जी को ये बात बताइए।
सर, इस समय
सभापति की सहमति से ही होता है।
सर,
और मैं सहमति देने के लिए आप देखिए बहुत तत्पर हूँ नियमों के अनुसार।
सर, इसीलिए तो मैं खड़ा हुआ हूँ। मुझे उम्मीद है साहब आप मुझे तो दे देंगे। उम्मीद है सर, उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम।
माननीय तिवारी जी, कोई सदस्य सभापति की सहमति से
मैं पढ़ देता हूँ। सहमत से ये प्रस्ताव कर सकेगा, ठीक है सर। उस दिन राज्यसभा के समय सूचीबद्ध, ठीक है सर, कार्य से संबंधित किसी प्रस्ताव पर, प्रस्ताव भी है सर, किसी नियम का लागू होना निलंबित कर दिया जाए और यदि ये प्रस्ताव स्वीकृत हो जाता है तो संबंधित नियम उस समय के लिए निलंबित कर दिया जाएगा, परंतु ये और कि ये नियम उस समय में लागू नहीं होगा जहां नियमों के विशेष अध्याय के अधीन किसी नियम के निलंबन के लिए पहले से ही कोई विशेष उपनियम वो है नहीं। मेरा सिर्फ ये कहना है, देश की अर्थव्यवस्था, देश की सुरक्षा से जुड़ा हुआ अडानी का 2300 करोड़ का प्रकरण है, इसमें गंभीर है, सरकार को जवाब।
नथिंग इज गोइंग रिकॉर्ड। नहीं,
सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
Would you please? May I have some say? Ram Gopal ji? Take your seat. Honorable members, please, nothing is going on record. If you can't hear chairman, nothing can go on record. Hear the chairman first. I have an appeal to make. Nothing is going on record except what I will say. No. Honorable members, take your seat. Nothing has been go record. Honorable members, yesterday marked a historic milestone, the beginning of the final quarter century before our constitution turns 100. This was a moment for our House of Elders, guided by the spirit of nationalism, to send a powerful message of hope to 1.4 billion people, reaffirming our commitment to their dreams and aspirations and our journey towards Bharat, Viksit Bharat 2047. It is with deep concern, I must say, we missed the historic opportunity where there should have been productive dialogue, constructive engagement, echoing the collective aspirations of our people. We fell short of their expectations. Honorable members, this chamber is more than just a house of debate. Our national spirit has to echo from here. Parliamentary disruption is not remedy, it's a melody. It It weakens our foundation. It slides Parliament into irrelevance. We must continue to have our relevance. Honorable members, when we engage in this kind of conduct, we deviate from constitutional ordainment. We show our back to our duties. If Parliament strays from its constitutional duty to represent people's hopes and aspirations, it is our duty to nurture nationalism, further democracy. I urge you all to embrace the spirit of meaningful dialogue. Let us return to tradition of thoughtful discussion. Honorable members, I plead with you, I request you for cooperation. Allow me to take agenda of the day. Be assured you shall have opportunity to raise all issues. Parliament is a platform for productive discussion. Every time is no. Question hour is important. I have already taken a call. He was not present. No, Honorable LOP was not there. Please make him aware of my ruling. I have already declined having taken a view. I cannot allow this House to get into irrelevance. We should not dishonor the spirit of those who gave us this Constitution. No. There is no reason for us not to proceed with the House. Sorry. Honorable members, I have to inform that the Business Advisory Committee, in its meeting on 27th November 2024, has allotted time for government legislative business as follows. Consideration and passing of the following bills: the Oil Fields Regulation and Development Amendment Bill 2024, 2 hours, along with the Boilers Bill 2024. 2. Consideration and passing of the following bills after they are considered and passed by Lok Sabha: the Banking Laws Amendment Bill 2024, 4 hours; the Railways Amendment Bill 2024, 4 hours; the Disaster Management Amendment Bill 2024, 5 hours; the Readjustment of Representation of Scheduled Tribes in Assembly Constituencies of the State of Goa Bill 2024, 2 hours; consideration and return of the Appropriation Bill relating to first batch of supplementary demands for grants for the year 2024-25 after it is considered and passed by Lok Sabha, 5 hours.